Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to your second Coach K and his Math Corner video on multiplying decimals. Today I'll be able to multiply decimals. I know I've got it when I can correctly answer at least one of the two exit ticket questions. Alright, you should have notes number 3. They're over in the brown organizer by the window on the counter. You need to create pages 7 through 8 in your student notebook. Make sure you do the following. Write the title and page numbers in the table of contents. Number the bottom corners 7 and 8. And you write the title. It says here on either page 7 or 8, but I prefer that you write it on the top of page 7. Make it neat. I do not like to look at sloppiness. And it's hard for people to read sloppiness. Okay? Alright, so let's keep moving on here. Alright, here we go. We want to write some notes here. Line up the last digits. Do not line up the decimals. Please do not do that. Then we want to multiply. You want to count the numbers behind the decimal in the numbers being multiplied. Move the decimal however many spaces counted in your factors. Numbers that are multiplied together are factors. Alright? Each of these are factors. Okay, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's keep moving. We don't want to take too much time. Hey, example number 1. Now, some of these are going to get kind of long. And you just got to have some strength to get through it. Now, remember we said we want to line up the last digits. Here's a 6. 9 goes there. 3, 1, decimal point, 0. Alright, now we want to multiply. 6 times 9 is 54. Carry the 5, and it gets a little long, so you got to stay with me. 9 times 4 is 36 plus 1, 41. Carry the 4. 9 times 2 is 18 plus 4 is 22. Done with the 9, cross it out. We're going to put a 0 under the 4. 3 times 6 is 18. Carry the 1. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. Cross out the 4. Carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. We are done with the 3. Now we want to add 2 zeros here. Alright. And sometimes Mr. Kaufman gets a little crooked up here. Yeah, come on, Mr. Kaufman. Quit being crooked on those numbers. There we go. 0 here. 0 here. Alright. And now we go 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 4 is 4. And 1 times 2 is 2. We're going to add all those together. 4 added to 0 is 4. 8 plus 1 added to 0 is 9. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 6 is 11. Carry the 1. 9, 10, 14. Carry that 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now, here's our answer. 34194. Those are the digits. Let's count the decimal points to the right. I'm sorry, let's count the, sorry about that. Let's count the numbers to the right of the decimal. Okay? We have 1, 2, 3. There are 0 decimal places in 246. So there are 3 right here. Right? So let's go. We're going to start here and go 1, 2, 3. Our answer is 34 and 194 thousandths. That's your product. Now this may take a little longer than my last video because it just takes time to talk. Okay? Alright, here we go. Now, again, I want to line up the last digits. I'm going to put this number on top first. Alright, it's just easier for me because this has 3 non-zero digits. And I'm going to put this one on the bottom. So I'm going to line up the last digits. Alright, it does not matter that the decimal points are lined up. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 2 times 1 plus 1 is 3. We're done with that 2. Let's put a 0. 7 times 4 is 28. Carry the 2. 7 times 5, 35 plus 2 is 37. Cross out that 1, put a 3. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 3 is 10. Done with the 7. Put 2 zeros. Now you see this number right here, 0. I don't have to multiply that out if I don't want to, but just so we say we did, we will. But you don't need to. Alright? I'm going to find the sum now of all these numbers. 8 added to 0 is 8. 8 added to 0 is 8. 7 added to 3 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So we got 1, 1, 0, 8, 8. And I want to count decimal places in my factors. So here we go. 1. You might even want to write it out there. And then here's 1, 2, 3. So how many do I have all together right here? I have 4. So we're going to start right here and go 1. Sorry, kids. 1, 2, 3, 4. My answer is 1 decimal point 1088. And that is your product. Again, pay attention on some things. If you don't pay attention, it will really get confusing. Alright, so here we go. Now it's your turn. I've demonstrated 2 of them to you. Again, if you have questions, always remember to ask. Okay? When you're done with these 2 problems on the whiteboard, practice, bring them to me, show me that you know what you're doing, and we can move on to the assignment. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, right now, here is your independent practice. You should have worksheet number 3. Get it from the organizer. Okay? And you are going to complete these problems. 1A, 2A, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That is 7 problems. Alright, 7 problems. You need to be able to do these. It may take you a couple days, but you need to be able to do these. Let's get to it. Don't waste your time. You've got to stay on task so you stay up with it, alright? Alright, good luck. If you need help, ask. Ask for help. You can ask a partner. Alright, you can ask someone who's sitting next to you. But to sit and talk while you do this assignment is not going to make you a better math student. Okay? And there might be some people there that sitting around you that can help you. Alrighty. Here we go. When you are done with that, here is your exit ticket. You need to be able to get one of these 2 correct to show that you really do understand. In fact, to really know that you are able to do this, you should get both of these correct. Both of these correct really demonstrates to me that you know what you're doing. Alright, make sure you take a picture of your worksheet and your exit ticket. You need to turn these into Canvas under the correct assignment or exit ticket. Okay? Look at your picture that you took on Photo Booth before you submit it. If you can't read what it says, neither can I. If it's too dark and you can't read it, it's a good bet that I won't be able to either. Good luck. Enjoy the experience, ladies and gentlemen, of math. There's a lot of cool things about math that you may not yet know. Alright? Keep plugging away and getting better. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is your second video with Coach K in his Math Corner. Can you believe it? Yeah, baby.